Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding cognizant hiring. Now, this is for the recruitment of graduate trainee. So, by now, this time you know that like this is a hiring that is happening like continuously. Okay, so it has been going on for months. Okay, and as well as this time, it is like they've given the last date as 31st December 2021. Okay, and the salary like 2.5 lakhs per annum, and it is basically a customer support, a tech support kind of role, and in tech support in IT. Okay, so last date, as I said, 31st December 2021, and education like any 3-year graduation program is eligible. Like for example, BA, BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA. Okay, so any 3-year graduation program candidates can apply for this. And coming to the percentage criteria, they have said minimum 50% in 10th, 12th diploma and UG, and there should not be any standing areas, and a maximum gap of 2 years between education, and the postgraduates are not eligible for this particular hiring. And year of passing, it is mentioned as 2019, 2020 and 2021, and as I said, there should not be any backlog. And coming to the job description, so these tech support people, they'll be responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud and on-premise products like Windows O365, end-user computing, desk-side services, and other business applications. And so they're also responsible for seamless functioning of business, and so they should be like able to work in different domains like banking, finance, insurance, communications, media, retail, healthcare, life sciences, technology, consulting, etc. And they should also be able to provide expert solutions on infrastructure applications, hardware and software installations, and networking queries. And they're also accountable for gathering information through client conversation and ensuring optimal resolution, and engage in business interactions with the end user to provide innovative approaches, evaluate the critical needs of the user, and provide quality deliverables to enhance their user satisfaction, clarify usual queries, and work collaboratively to ensure that there is no business impact, and using high level of problem solving and critical thinking skills to engage in time bound tasks, and of course good communication skills, and should be open to work in flexible shift. Okay, and industry standard business hours with rotational shifts to support global customers. This is regarding the joining location and work timing, and delivery locations across India, encouraging relocation based on business requirement. Coming to the selection process, there is a very simple online assessment, and those who qualify for the online assessment, the typical aptitude paper. Okay, so those who qualify the online assessment will be called for the interview. In interview, there will be like both tech and HR. So in tech, like basic questions on operating system installations and networking. Okay, so like for example, what is an operating system, what is a kernel, okay, what is the difference between loading and booting. Okay, so very basic questions on operating system and networking, and the internet and things like that, okay, will be asked in the interview, in the tech interview. And in the HR, will you be willing to like relocate, will you be willing work in shifts, okay, so how long you'll be working here, okay, and so on. Okay, so that kind of questions will be asked. So the process is basically like very easy. If you are eligible and willing, you can definitely apply. Now how to apply, link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that to apply. Okay, so if you so in that page you will find an apply now. Now if you already have so this hiring happens to Superset platform. So Superset platform, by this time this platform. Okay, it is a platform that connects the candidates, companies, and also the colleges. Okay, so if you already have an account, just enter your email address and then click on next. Okay, so if you are eligible, it will say like you are eligible. If you are not eligible, it will state the reasons, okay, why you are not eligible. So you can click on apply. Okay, and then if suppose you have not applied, okay, so I have done a detailed video on how to apply in Superset. Okay, so you can the link to that video is given in the description below. You can click on that and watch that. Okay, so if you are applying for new, just complete the basic registration process, wherein it will ask for your basic details, contact details, current, most recent education, previous education like 10th and 12th, okay, internship and work experience if there is any, and then you have to upload your resume and also your photograph. Right. So after that, like you can apply for this drive. So I hope the information I have provided in this video was useful to you. Now if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.